This is Matt's quest to find a girl at medication tonight. Oh, right, yeah. This is Candy pulling out all of her best dance moves. Matt wants her. He dry humps her. I don't think Candy's very happy about that one. Oh, smack in the face. Bye, Candy. See you later. Take 2. Candy is back in action. Oh, bending over. Oh, she's got the hat on tonight, everybody. Here comes Matt. Maneuver number 2. The handshake. Does Candy fall for it? No, Candy doesn't like the handshake. Off she goes with her friends. Bye, Candy. Take 3. Ooh. Candy's wearing her best bag tonight. Oh, and in walks Matt. Maneuver number 3. The stroke. The look. Does Candy love it? Oh, and Matt has pulled Candy for the night. Candy seems to like Matt's abs. Oh, off they go to the bedroom. Bye, guys. Have fun tonight. And Matt has succeeded in his quest to pull a lady at medication.